Sir, in the last video, we covered what is control flow in try catch finally. Sir, now the next thing, a bit important concept I'm ready to talk. Sir, what is nested try catch finally? Nested try catch finally. What it means, right? Sir, do you know inside a try block, you can take try catch finally. Inside catch block, we can take try catch finally. Inside finally block also we can take try catch finally. That means nesting of try catch finally is always possible. Remember this. Sir, where what the need? What the need? Where we have to use? Sir, just observe that. I have here just try is there, sir. This is the risky code. Assume that this is the risky code. Now catch block is there. Catch block is there. Now this is the handling code, and then finally block is there, cleanup code, sir. Try catch finally. Sir, this is the risky code I am writing, right? Now assume that in this, sir, do you know there is some code is there, too much risky code, maybe communicating with the third party software, third party vendor machines, like it is too much risky, or otherwise communicate with the database, third party database. That database most of the times are down. It is too much risky code. Sir, now it is the risky code, but this one is the too much risky code. Sir, now this too much risky code highly recommended to keep separate try catch. Regarding highly recommended to keep separate try catch, right? What is the reason for that? The reason is, suppose this statement is already there inside a try block. Assume I don't want to take inner try catch. Sir, if really there is a problem here, if really there is a problem, there is an exception. Now the control will goes to sir, this catch block. Then remaining code is not going to be executed. Regarding assume that after this there is almost around 10,000 lines of the code is there, it is not executed. Is it a problem or not? Yes, definitely it is a problem. This much code is not going to execute. That's why what I have to take, you are telling it is a very risky, too much risky code. What I will take here is, of course, here I am taking try block, next here only catch block I am taking corresponding handling code, sir. What is the advantage is, if really an exception raised, the advantage of taking inner try catch is, if really an exception raised, immediately this catch block is going to handle. Regarding this catch block will be handled. Of course, if this catch block unable to handle, anyway outer catch block can take care. Don't worry. Sir, this catch block is going to handle. This after handling this, the remaining code happily will be executed. There is no problem at all. Are you getting right? So most of the code is not going to be skipped. Most of the code will be executed. Here there is a problem. Immediately this catch block is going to handle. Rest of the code will be continued normally. That is the advantage of try catch inside a try block, sir. So normal risky code we have to take inside outer try. Too much risky code, very sensitive area, very sensitive code, too much risky code we have to take inside inner try block. Is it clear for all of you? So yeah, is it possible to take try catch inside try block or not? Yes, man. Try catch finally inside the try you can take, inside catch we can take, inside finally also we can take, no problem at all. It is acceptable. Okay, so now take a bit very special care. Best example, sir, do you know, assume that you are traveling on the road, by car. You are traveling on the road by car. Sir, traveling on the road by car, it is a risky, obviously, maybe a chance of accidents, but there are some curve roads are there. There are some curve roads are there. Then special arrangements they are going to take. Pass accident prone area, take a bit very special care, like traveling on the road itself is the risky, but why this special board is required? It is the too much risky. Arigani accident prone area, too much risky. That's why some special arrangement must be required for this this car, what we call curve roads, accident prone areas. Compulsory some special boards the road government people are going to arrange. Are you getting right? So the same style here also, sir. Too much risky code we have to take inside inner try block. General risky code we have to take inside outer try block. Okay, if an exception rises here in this risky code, immediately catch block is there, rest of the code will be executed normally. Clear for all of it? So is it possible to take try catch finally inside a try block or not? Yes, possible. Inside catch block or not? Yes, inside finally also happily you can take. Nesting of try catch finally is always possible. If you feel comfortable, I will go for a small chota executable code so that you can get much clarity, right? Okay, sir, now observe a small example I'm taking here. Class test, next public static void main method string array args. Public static void main string array args. Here I'm taking try block, try blocks are outer try block. System dot out dot println outer try block, outer try block, like this I'm taking. Next, inside that I want to take another try block. Yes friends, possible or not? Yes, try inside try, acceptable try block I'm taking. Here system dot out dot println inner try block I'm taking. Regarding inner try block I'm taking. Now system dot out dot println 10 by 0 I'm getting. Assume that, sir. Okay, now sir, this is the catch arithmetic exception, Now system dot out dot println inner catch block, inner catch block, assume that, sir, inner catch block. Okay, now sir, this is the try catch I took inside the try block. Regarding this try catch I took inside try block, remember. Now after this inner try catch, system dot out dot println outside inner try catch, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all, end of this one. Yes sir, this is outer try completed. Now sir, here I'm taking catch block, this is the outer catch block. Some exception I'm taking, here. Do you know, here the just I'm taking system dot out dot println outer catch block, catch block, like this I'm taking, son, outer catch block. Next, last finally system dot out dot println, sir, outer finally block, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all, sir. Now take a bit very special care, end of the main, end of the class, sir. Now inside the try block I took try catch and outer catch block, outer finally. Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get for this program? Can you please guess what output, how the flow will be there, sir? Okay, very simple. Outer try, yes, this line will be printed. First this line will be printed. Now the control will enter into inner try block, this line will be printed. Next, while executing this one, while executing inner try block, there is an exception rises, sir. Okay, immediately JVM will check either any corresponding catch block. Corresponding catch block means inner catch block. If inner catch block can handle, yes, happily it will execute, rest of the code will be executed. If inner catch block unable to handle, then immediately the control will goes to outer catch block, because the reason is, sir, do you know this code present inside inner try, present inside outer try also. If inner catch block unable to handle, then outer catch block can handle. Yes, observe that. Next, here inner catch block, arithmetic exception, it is going to be handled. Third statement, right? Inner catch block. Sir, now an exception rises. Here only we handle Now rest of the code will be executed normally inside outer try. So the remaining code outside of inner try catch, it will be executed normally, right? Next, this catch block not going to execute because exception is already handled. Next, finally block will be executed. Observe that, sir. That's all. These are the 5 statements we are going to get if I will execute this code, sir. Have you observed? Outer try block, next inner try block, next inner catch block, outside of inner try catch, next outer catch block, outer catch block won't execute, outer finally block only will execute. That's all. Clear for all of you, right? So my intention is you have to know, is it possible to take try catch inside a try block or not? Is it possible to take try catch inside catch block or not? That's what I want to show you a small program, right? Let me execute this code. Have a look once. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking class test public static void main try SOP of outer try. Next inner try, I am taking inner try SOP of 10 by 0. Regarding outer try, inner try, and then 10 by 0. Next catch arithmetic exception, inner catch block, inner catch block. Next after inner try catch, okay, like now outer catch, outer finally. Sir, the code is the same or not? Yes, perfectly the code is the same. Now let me compile this code, sir. Here, have a look once. Observe, the code compiles fine. Now let me run outer try, inner catch block. After inner try catch, next outer finally. Sir, our expected 5 statements only executed, right? Okay, clear for you. Now I have one small doubt, sir. What's my doubt is, here an exception raised. Assume that, but inner catch block unable to handle. Assume that, sir. Inner catch block not in a position to handle. Assume here raised exception is arithmetic exception, but catch block is available is null pointer exception. Observe carefully. Catch block is available for null pointer exception. Now can you please tell what is the flow, sir? Please respond. What is the flow? Which statements will be executed now? So inner catch block not matched. Then here see, first outer try block, next inner try block, outer try, inner try. Next here SOP of 10 by 0. Regarding SOP of 10 by 0, arithmetic exception. Immediately JVM will check, is there any inner catch block matched for this? No. If inner catch block unable to handle, immediately the control will goes to outer catch block. Okay, now sir, this is the statement 3 will execute, sir. Now rest of the try block, sir, this outer try won't be executed. Rest won't be executed, sir. Directly the control will jump to outer catch block and then outer finally block. This is the output you have to get. Just type this one, execute this, observe, then you will get much clarity, right? Nothing. So very simple. Inside inner try, if an exception raised, if inner catch block unable to handle, then who is the responsibility handles, sir? Outer catch block will responsible. Outer catch block, directly the control will comes to outer catch and then remaining code will execute. So you may ask, if outer catch block also not matched, what will happen? Abnormal termination. Okay, let me execute this scenario. Here see this one, raised, same example. Raised exception is, which exceptions are? Arithmetic exception, but inner catch block I have null pointer exception. Regarding inner catch block I have null pointer exception. So inner catch block not matched, only outer catch block matched, sir. Then what is the flow? Observe here, the code compiles fine, no problem. What is the answer? By default you are going to get outer try, inner try, outer catch, outer finally. Outer try, outer catch, outer finally. This is the output by default we are going to get, sir. Okay, please make sure. So is it possible to take try catch finally inside try block or not, inside catch block or not, inside finally or not? Yes, nesting of try catch finally is always a good programming practice. General risky code we have to take inside the outer try. Too much risky code, very sensitive code we require to take inside try block. Clear for all of you right up to this?